Here are the instructions for installing and using Zoom on a computer. To install Zoom, first start your internet browser and go to zoom.us/download. Look for Zoom Client for Meetings and select Download. Make sure to complete the install. To join a class, start the Zoom application on your computer and select Join a Meeting. Type in the meeting ID given to you by your class teacher and full name before clicking Join. You will always be put into a waiting room first. Your class teacher will now know you have joined. When the teacher is ready to listen to you or start the Islamic Studies class, you will be admitted to the classroom. From the menu controls at the bottom, you will be able to turn on your mic and camera, as well as share content, chat, and raise your hand.